my name is Alicia. I'm showing my Sudoku board or our Sudoku solver here. So I did it in Java. So I have my public class Sudoku, I just called it that. I made a constant for the grid. So private static final int grid size equal 9 since we were doing a 9 by 9 or 40 cells each. Then we have our 2D array within our main. And we just have some numbers. Every 0, as we know, is a empty placement. We will come back to this after, but I had a print board. I made a print board method, but I printed the board so we can see it before and also we'll see it after. I'm going to come down to here. This is a method to check if the number is in a row. So we have our private boolean is number in row. We have a method to check is the number in the column. We have a method to check if a number is in our 3x3 grid subgrid, called is number in the sub. And it's also going to run for loops. We have many for loops. All of these are basically all for loops. Within this, we have to loop through the 3x3 subgrid to check every row and column. This is a method that will check all three. So it's not is a number in the row, it's not the number in column, not a number in the sub. And then we have our backtracking, which will go through each of those columns and rows and put a number in. And if the number doesn't fit, it will go back and put in a different number in order to basically solve the board. And then we're going to go back up here to our print method. So we're going to basically print out our board. And this is just to make it look nice. So since it won't be all of a cluster of numbers together. And we're going to print it out. And then we're also going to print it afterwards. So let's go ahead and run our. I'm going to run it. I'm going to make it big. So we're going to run this building. And here it is. So you can see this is our board before, and then it says solved because it was able to solve it. And this is our board after, and it was able to solve all the numbers.